Look who decided to arrive early. I was expecting them on the 25th and they arrived on the 22nd. That's great. That's literally great. So here we go, the iPhone XS Max on the right, and then we have the Apple Watch Series 4 in the middle, and then that's the case for the iPhone XS Max. So you guys might have already noticed I don't have my camera stand with me. So you guys have to bear in mind with me, I cannot unbox them all with one hand. So I'm going to be taking cut shots when I'm going to be unboxing the package. So please guys forgive me this time. The next time I'm going to be trying to get myself a stand so that I can unbox it live in front of you guys. But this time I have to open up and then I'm going to start the camera and then show the process. So let's get started up with the Apple Watch Series 4 right down in the middle. So here we go. So I'm going to be opening it with one hand, so if it shakes, so please excuse me for that. The next time I'll make sure that I get a stand for it. So this is how the package opens. Wow, that is great. I mean, the packaging is really good. I mean, you have it really nicely packed. And then, so here we go. Here's the packaging. I mean, there's nothing printed on the outside. On the front side, you see it's written as Apple Watch. And then towards the side, we have nothing, absolutely nothing. Towards this side also, there's nothing. And let's flip it on. Here we do have something. I mean, it's like the pull tab, you pull it and the package opens. Towards the bottom, you have the description. So Apple Watch Series 4, space gray aluminum, 44 millimeters. Well, that is great. So this is how it goes. I mean, just pull it off and then it comes off. Not an even, it did not evenly come off, so I got to struggle a bit to get that off. So I guess that should do. Wowie, that's on. Now you can remove that. So here we go. This is how the box looks like without the polythene. And then, how does it open up? This is my first time buying an Apple Watch. So, oh, these are the flaps. I didn't know that. This is my first time buying an Apple Watch, so I really don't know how this thing opens. Okay, wow. Both sides open, and whoa, that's colorful. And then, whoa, that's amazing. Then, is this the main box? Yeah. So here we go. We have all the Apple Watches in different colors with the different Apple Watch bands, and then we have another box which has a photo of the Apple Watch. On the front, towards the side, we have absolutely nothing. And here we see Series 4 space gray aluminum case, 44 millimeters. Towards this side, nothing. This side, nothing. So let's get this aside. I'm really sorry again. I mean, I have to do that everything with one hand. So I guess this is the documentation. And then I'm going to be opening these documentations just in a minute. Or I guess it's the band, maybe. I don't know what it is, but I think it's a band. So let's dig in. Which is, yeah, this is the top side. Slowly, let's slide it off. Wowie. Okay, so here we go. The Apple Watch Series 4. And then this is how it looks like. Wow, that's pretty good. 44 millimeters. You have the digital crown, and yeah, it's a solid state one. That's the new and improved solid state one. So coming to the Apple Watch Series 4 in a minute. Let's see what do we got here. So we do this. Okay, so we do have the charger. This is the wireless charger, which could wirelessly charge your Apple Watch. And then this is the power adapter. And there's something which I noticed this time in Apple's website, sorry, that you get a power adapter with it. But I guess in the previous versions of the Apple Watch, you don't really get a power adapter. I mean, at least this one has a power adapter. And then documentation. This is what is inside. The instruction manual on how to put your watch band. And then how do you activate it. And then all the other features, sorry. I'm going to have to... How to set up the watch face, about the digital crown, about the side buttons, and how do you charge. It's on the first leaflet. And then here goes the second leaflet. It really has the do's and don'ts and instructions, so we just keep this aside. And then let's open up the other one. I think this should be the Apple Watch band inside it, and I hope there are two bands, because that's what I read on the internet. They give you two bands So this is how it looks. And then take that up. Another instructions on how to tie your band. And, oh yeah, they do give you 2 bands. I mean, this is the medium one, and then this is the medium or large. Sorry, this is the small or medium, and this is the medium or large band. So most probably I'm going to be using the bigger band. So let's try to take that out. It already started booting up. I guess I pressed the power button. So here you go. It looks really good. You have the new ceramic back, and it looks very, very, mirrory. You have the mirror finish here. You have the display, the watch is booting up, and then you have the button, you have the digital crown, you have the microphone, and now I have to set this up. So that's it for the Apple Watch Series 4. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna be doing a full review on that in the coming week. So stay tuned for that. So I'm going to be again uploading the unboxing of the iPhone XS Max in a separate video. Do check that out as well. Links in the description below.